Oh, dang, you woke up. Fuck you. Sorry, guys, I had to prove that he does snore. Sorry if my hair looks bad. Yeah, okay, back to him.